Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Today, guys, we are going to take a look at the CGK linen sheets. Now, these sheets are made of a microfiber. It's actually a brushed microfiber, and it makes them a lot softer than your traditional cotton sheets or even an Egyptian cotton. So what we're going to do is we're going to open this thing up. I'm going to install them on a bed. We're going to see how they are and see if we actually like it. So let's go ahead and let's open it up and see what comes in the actual package. And by the way, guys, these are machine washable, and one of the big reasons that I chose these is that we have platform beds in the house, and so we have very thick mattresses and you need deep pockets on the sides. These have 16-inch pockets, so they're going to cover that mattress very well. These feel like they've already been washed. They are so soft. Fold it open here, and let's see what we have here. We have this, this, and this. So these are going to be pillowcases, guys. Yeah, very nice. You're going to have two of those. Very soft, very comfortable. And then let's see what we have here. They actually give you double pillowcases. So I have 4 pillowcases here in this set. So I've got 4 pillowcases. And this looks like it's probably the fitted sheet. Let's see. Yes, this is your fitted. And it has the elastic that goes all the way around this. And there are those deep pockets I was talking about. 16 inches of pocket. But I like the fact that it has the band going all the way around. A lot of sheets you're going to find out there will have a pocket, but they do not have the band going all the way around. And so it just kind of flops around. It doesn't hold good. And if that pocket comes out, the whole thing just kind of takes off. This gives you a little bit more grabbing power since you have it on that side. And this is going to be your top sheet. Let's see how this looks. I want to see if it is actually how it's stitched. The stitching is really nice on this. Now, here is the very top, and it is stitched really nicely. I like the stitching all the way around. Make sure we have full coverage. It is a single stitch, but it looks great. And here is your tag. It says it's 100% polyester, machine wash cold, gentle cycle, and you can tumble dry and low. So easy maintenance. So there it is. I have it on the bed. Now, I did orient it incorrectly in the beginning. You saw me have to pull it loose and turn it. I didn't have the pockets oriented the way they were supposed to be. But speaking of pockets, they covered those deep mattresses extremely well. The 2 pillows that I was using, one of them is oversized, had a little trouble getting that into the pillowcase, but it wasn't the pillowcase's fault. That was actually a king-size pillow. So outside of that, it went on extremely well and extremely easy, extremely comfortable. So if I was going to rate these on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd have to give it 5 stars because, well, I couldn't find anything wrong with them. They went on extremely easy. Actually, out of the package, they felt like they had already been washed. So do yourself a favor. If you're looking for a good set of sheets, grab a set of these. I don't think you'll regret it. We'll see you on the next review.